Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I decided to upload a different type of video, not different in general, just different to my channel. I did a what I eat in a day. So I wasn't having the best hair day, and if you guys know my vlogs before, I'm having a little issue with my hair. So today it looks a little bit better, I think, than it did yesterday, of course. But I hope you guys enjoy the video. I'm having, it's 2 eggs and a half cup of egg white, strawberries, and 2 pieces of wheat toast. And then for coffee, I'm having decaf coffee with some almond creamer, and I'm heating up my water for the coffee. So this is so far my breakfast. I have to take my sugar first before I eat anything, and then I can chow. Okay, it is currently 9 o'clock. Last time I ate was 7, and I ate the eggs, 2 pieces of toast, and the strawberries. So I'm gonna get a small snack, and I'm actually gonna have a real cup of coffee because I'm very tired and I'm having trouble staying awake. So I'm gonna go get some coffee and a little snack. All right, so I got my coffee. It's hot, it's nice and warm. And then for my snack, I got my little peanut butter ball. And then I also did almond rice pops. So yeah, that'll be my little snack before lunch. Lunch is in 2 hours. So I will be fine until then, especially with the potato or the peanut butter ball. I'm gonna just put that in here. I love these little ones, but they always come with so little. Like, it only comes with like 4 little clusters. But whatever, it's fine. Okay. Let's see how these are. I haven't tasted them. So good. With the chocolate. Oh my god, so good. It's lunchtime. It's lunchtime. So I usually have lunch at 11. And when I have lunch and I'm working from home, I usually like to cook my lunch, but I have leftovers from Friday from like a pasta that I made, the TikTok pasta that was on the last vlog. I don't know what I'm gonna eat it with. I really don't want pasta, but it's what I have. I don't know. I'm actually not craving anything at this moment. Let me show you guys what I'm gonna eat. Okay, so this is my lunch. I made this on last Friday, so a few days ago. It's the TikTok pasta, but I had leftovers, so I'm just gonna heat it up and eat it. And if I'm hungry some more, then I'll add like a side salad or something. But for right now, I'm not that hungry. I'm just gonna heat this up and eat it. And then I'm gonna get my pills set up. So pretty much I've been taking the hair, skin, and nails for my hair loss. And then I also take metformin for my sugar levels. It's been helping a lot actually. This weekend it was very low. My sugar was at like 84. Yesterday it was 92, so that's pretty low. This morning there was 123, and I think it's because we had Chinese food for dinner, and Chinese food tends to be really like sweet and sugary. Hold on. I'm going to mix it. Put it in for another. No, I'm gonna put it in here. But this morning, yeah, it was 123, so I think it's the Chinese food that we had yesterday. I don't know. I haven't had Chinese food in a really long time. Pasta's reheated. So good. I'm gonna add some Parmesan. I have real Parmesan, but sometimes you just want that artificial goodness. Just a tad. And that's it. I'm going to get some water for my drink. Water. All right, bon appetit. Okay, so it's time for another snack, and I'm gonna have chili lime peanuts that I bought yesterday. So let's get them. Pantry, acquired the goods. So yeah, chili lime peanuts for the win. All right, so we decided on leftovers for dinner. So that's what we're gonna have. We're gonna have leftovers that we had yesterday, which is just like Chinese food. So this is Ryan's, just rice, chow mein, and his meat. And mine is in there. So yeah. Tomorrow, we're gonna make the shrimp fried rice. I'm excited about that. But anyway, I think that's all I'm gonna eat for today. If anything, I'll have some dark chocolate for dessert. I'll show you guys the ones that I bought. So I bought this 72 cacao dark chocolate, so I'll probably just have that for dessert. But other than that, that's it. I'm done for the day. Thank you guys so much for watching my what I eat in a day. And yeah, I'll see you guys there.